Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how we can easily set the date and time manually on your Apple iPhone. So in order to do that, what you have to do is go into your settings application. Once you're in settings application, scroll down and find the option general. In my case it's right here in the front page itself. So if you can't find it, you can scroll down, it will be somewhere over this page. So click on general and now scroll down and find the option date and time. Click on it. And now we can see a toggle which is on, which is set automatically. So in order to change the date and time manually, you can just turn off the set automatically. And now you can see the date and time right here. So I'll just click on the date and set it at September 5. And now I'll go into the time and I will just say, put it like 1616. Okay. So now you can see it's already changed here. You can see it's 1616 and it's September 5 actually, when actually it's like September 4 only. Okay, so that's it for today's video guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.